Well, we saw the temperatures drop off throughout the entire day gradually, and that led us from some rain showers to some snow showers out there earlier. Tomorrow, temperatures continue to drop down into the single digits for wind chills with wind gusts that will be increasing up to around 30 to 35 miles per hour overnight into tomorrow. It will be an impact day tomorrow. Cold temps on Friday, but we will have some sunshine. Also some sunshine on Saturday, mid-40s for your highs, so a rebound there, but we will have some rain in the area on Sunday. Taking a look at the temperatures for tomorrow, we keep it in the 20s all day long. Again, we will have a little bit of sunshine out there, but in the morning it is really going to be tough when you walk out the door with the higher winds and the cold temperatures. So impact day on Thursday, Friday, a high of 32 degrees. We'll have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. On Saturday, also some sunshine, especially to start the day, a high of 44 degrees. On Sunday in Pittsburgh, we are looking at 45 degrees for your high temperature. And then as we go into next week, temperatures that will be reaching the 50-degree mark. Right now, you can see the snow that has moved off to the east and will continue to move out with the exception of a few flurries very early in the morning. We'll have a few clouds and then the sunshine will return to the area, although again, cold on Thursday as well as Friday. Friday, we start off with a few more clouds. They will decrease as we head through the day, and that will continue as we head into Saturday, where we will again be seeing sunshine that we'll be enjoying, and it will be a little bit warmer with those temperatures that will be in the mid-40s on Saturday. As far as the wind, here's tomorrow morning. Wind gusts 30, 35, possibly 40 miles per hour. The wind will die down as we go through the day on Thursday. So as far as the temperatures and your wind chill, down around 6 o'clock in the morning, we're looking at a single-digit wind chill. 8 degrees is what it'll feel like. Air temperature of 21 degrees. So your 3-day planner looks like this. We're going for Thursday, 27 degrees for your high temperature. An impact day, windy and cold, definitely blustery out there tomorrow. On Friday, 32 degrees for your high temperature. Partly cloudy, another cold one out there. And then on Saturday, we'll start off with mostly sunny skies, but clouds will increase later in the day. A little bit warmer, a high of 44 degrees.